So I just got from Walmart, and this is just a few things that I picked up. I'm not gonna really go over too much, just let y'all see. I did pick some wings up because I'm gonna make me some hot wings, and I got some breadsticks. That's why I got that marinara sauce. But I did want to try this. You know, I always love trying stuff. I love red velvet flavor, so that's why I got these. So I'm gonna try these. I just picked up these diamond table knives. They were only $10. I never bought a knife set, and it's just like a little starter knife set. Picked up some toothbrushes, and I picked up some floss. What's up, more gang? Today is Friday and it is late. It is 9:43. I had went to the game today. As you can see, I did a little bit of makeup. I put some clothes on, and I'm about to take it off. Take all this off. We're gonna start getting into the monthly reset. Probably starting tomorrow or Sunday, but hopefully tomorrow, because I need to start planning for the month of February. I really don't got much to clean because I have cleaned in like 2 vlogs ago. I really don't know what this monthly reset gonna consist of, but I just wanted to hop on here and give y'all a little update of what has been going on. Let me tell y'all about that chicken sandwich. Y'all know I love that spicy chicken sandwich. I be getting them from Food Line. Y'all, I put that cheddar cheese up there, and it was horrible. It was horrible. It was so nasty. I was like, no. I actually ended up today, went to Food Line. Y'all make sure y'all go check that vlog out. Y'all gonna already see it by the time y'all see this video. But I went to Food Line, and I had picked up a few groceries, and I made sure I picked up me some pepper jack cheese. Y'all, my makeup turned out really good. I actually don't even really have no makeup on. I guess I can go ahead and show y'all that now. I do got a couple products I'm gonna show y'all. So I was basically testing some of it out. I only test out this product here. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I will do a whole different video, probably like a makeup video explaining this, but you can wear it 4 ways, and it's not foundation. And I just, you know, like how it look. I love the big applicator. It's like a tinted moisturizer, but look at the applicator. A separate video explaining. You just want to kind of wear it. So I put this on today with a little bit of concealer and pressed powder. I also purchased this as well. I didn't try this yet, and it's just the brow lift clear, something like to help you get that brow lamination look. So this what that is, you know, can give you that. I also picked up this was on clearance, and this is the e.l.f. Camo powdered foundation. And it just looks like that. e.l.f. had been actually stepping their game up, y'all. And I had already put my finger in if it looked a little smudge. But yeah. So I haven't tried this yet. I wanted to try both of these two together, and this. So I think I'm gonna do a whole separate video on that. But I want to tell y'all about that. But now, y'all, we about to come out all this stuff. Let me take my jewelry off. Halo liquid filter. It's supposed to give you like this glow dewy look, and I feel like it actually did what it's supposed to have done. Ooh. And Ruby Woo showed up like she was supposed to as well. But yeah, I'm gonna leave that like that for right now. But y'all, can y'all believe that in the next couple of days it will be February? Normally when January come, y'all, it takes forever. I gotta learn how not to make my eyebrows so dark. I need to get me a new eyebrow color or something, but I'm to the point now I don't like dark eyebrows. I like for that to look more natural, more realistic. And it seems like no matter how light of a stroke I do, it still seems to come off as dark. So I'm gonna have to work on that. And y'all, like I said, I only put on that halo glow, and it kind of gave me like a nice coverage. I'm sure you can build it up. I'm gonna keep talking like I said, I will do a separate video. But also drop down in the comments if you guys have tried that before. I would love to hear about that. I might do a mask because I need a routine stuff in order. And y'all, my nose been peeling so bad. Like so bad. Like my nose. Okay. I got no boo. I done washed my face and everything. Double cleanse. Y'all remember I told you about this one time before? It's just yogurt, and I'm gonna use it as a mask. It'll be cold. I also need to plan out some content and stuff tomorrow for it's cool, for the month of February, just so I can have some ideas. I'm just doing the most color on my hair. This stuff is cold, but it feels good though. Alexa, play Lord Do It For Me by Zacardi Cortez.
Here's Lord Do It For Me.
This song right here,
by Zacardi Cortez.
It's gonna hit every time. Listen, what he said. Do it for me. Fix it for me. Lord, I have a problem that only you can solve. That's where you're going. Hello.
Hey, girl.
Hey, girl.
Ooh.
Ooh, that thing was burning a little bit. Oh, my skin gonna be peeling. What it do, me and more gang? Let's go ahead and jump into February monthly reset. I do want to go ahead and apologize if I sound a little stuffy. I do have a little cold, so please bear with me. So first I would like to do a reflection. I want to reflect on January, what I accomplished for January. Let's just say I am super proud of myself for being very successful at writing in my planner, completing my planner out for the month of January. I mean, jotting everything down, dates, important dates, everything like that. Also, with planning my content, I had came up with certain days for the week, such as Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, and I was very successful at that. It was only one day this month where I did not upload on a Thursday, but I also managed to get myself back on track. I also was watering my plants on time. I completed my fast, less eating out. So I was super excited that I was able to accomplish some of those things. Now, what was I grateful for the month of January? I was grateful for my job. I'm grateful for God's favor over my life for January. And I'm very grateful for my car. I also picked up some new habits in January. I decided to put my phone on Do Not Disturb when I wake up in the mornings. So let's dive into what I did not accomplish in January. So I knew I wanted to start saving this year. I did not take out any money for the month of January to start saving. So that's something that I will have to work on in February. And in my January reset, I showed y'all this book, which was by Sarah Jakes. I did not finish that book. I don't even think I cracked half of the surface of the book. And I'm not sure if I'm going to even start this month, so I will keep y'all posted on that. I want to have realistic goals for the month of February. So for February, we are here in February. February goals are, what do I want to accomplish? I do want to continue to be successful at writing in my planner, planning out my weeks, my days, months, whatever. I want to continue to do that. I also want to stick with my morning routine. I know some of my mornings may change due to what I have to do for that particular day, but I also want to create me a better night routine, especially on the days that I do have to work, like me getting off at 9. So I want to be more intentional about, coming straight home. If I have to eat, go ahead and eat. Take my shower, wash my face, and go ahead and get in the bed. Do not stay up late, scrolling on TikTok, and just doing unnecessary stuff. I'm not going to say unnecessary stuff, but stuff that I can do the next day. Also, I want to learn how to balance my off days, because I feel like on my off days, I'm doing like a lot of content where sometimes I feel like I don't get to enjoy my off days. So I do have to come up with a better schedule, just some balance between my off days, work days, when I'm scheduling content, when I'm doing content, editing, filming, like all that stuff. I did also mention for the month of January, I didn't take out any money to put aside to save. So I do want to be more intentional about once I get paid, go ahead and take out a certain amount once I get paid. Even if that looks like $5 here, $10 there, $20 here, long I take out something so that can go towards my savings. I also want to stay on top of my laundry, cleaning. I want to put clothes on more this month. This is a month of Valentine's. I do want to show myself much love this month. Not saying any month is any less, but I do want to show up for myself for this month, and also show up for Zari as much as I can. And that could look like me and her going out on mom and daughter dates, or just doing something that will require us to spend more time together, get to know each other on different levels, just chop it up, chit chat, just doing stuff like that. Because I always want my daughter to know that I see her, I hear her, I'm listening to her, I'm here for her whenever she need me. And the only way I feel like I can do that is me just putting in that type of time and work and effort and letting her see that I notice her. I also want to remember to take my vitamins every day. I also want to make sure Zara get her vitamins every day, because I have been kind of slipping, and also increase my water intake. I do feel like these are some achievable goals that I can do for the month of February. I may add more goals. We'll see. I will keep y'all posted. I think this is the pace that I'm going to do with my monthly resets. I look forward to doing monthly resets. It gives me some sense of hope, a new perspective. I think I am going to continue to do the reflection part for my monthly reset, because I like to see what I accomplished for the prior month, what I didn't accomplish, what I can work on, what I can do better. Maybe I need to switch some things. Maybe I need a new perspective. So with me asking myself these questions, it gives me the opportunity to see what I can improve on. Which leads me to my next question. Do you guys do monthly resets, weekly resets? What do you guys do? I'm very interested. Let's chop it up in the comments about it. Because to be honest, sometimes I need a day reset. Sometimes one of my days can be a little off, and I just feel like, I just need to start over. I think reset is good for everybody. I feel like everybody needs some type of reset in some part of their life. And it can look different for everybody. My reset, your reset may look different. But let me ask y'all this. Have y'all ever felt like y'all just feel like y'all need to get y'all life together in the middle of the night? Y'all, I have felt like that plenty of times, like something so small could happen, and I'm just like, yeah, I'm done with everybody, I'm done with this situation, and I'm just like, I just got to get my life together, where I just feel like it's just me, my baby, and God. Like, it's nobody else. Well, I just need a reset. But I just thought about that. It'd be so funny, because it could be so little. And to be honest, y'all, sometimes it don't even be really dealing with people. It can be just me in a battle within myself, like something that I know I could be doing, but I just haven't got the strength or the courage to actually follow through with it. And I'm just beating myself up. And I'm just like, girl, you need to get your life together. You need a reset. You just need to do better. I'm like, I just wish I could pack up my stuff and move away. Just a new person. But it just be crazy sometimes what I be thinking. But this video is coming to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions on anything that I have said in this video, please feel free to comment. Also, please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when your girl posts a new video. Because how is y'all gonna see me? And I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye.